Okay, the carpet you see here is very soft, very thick, very dense carpeting. It will literally shut off most vacuum cleaners in the store because of that. We had it installed because we would sell vacuums to customers. They'd go home and vacuum. The vacuum would shut off. They'd return it, buy another vacuum cleaner, take it home and vacuum, does the same thing. So we did this so the customer can literally test the vacuum on the type of carpet they have in their house. Reason I bring that up is SEBO does have a height adjustment system, but sometimes that's not enough. Sometimes you need to adjust the suction power of the vacuum cleaner. Sometimes it's the right combination of adjusting the suction and having the right height adjustment. So I'm going to start with vacuuming on high with the medium height adjustment. Instantly shuts it right off. So what we're going to do is we're going to crank it up to 4, which is the highest adjustment, which is what you should always use on this type of carpeting. And I'm going to kick the suction power back just a little bit. We have several settings. Now we can just plow right through, and it's actually easy to push. So, thought that was important.